चॉकलेट आई। तो हमारे फैक्ट्री में जिधर पिताजी काम करते थे, संभा सिमन करके था, उसकी 3 लड़कियां थी। तो हमने वो चॉकलेट उनको दे दी, आप खाओ, क्योंकि उनको उनके लिए टेस्ट अच्छा था। हमारे लिए टेस्ट पंजाबी को तो मीठा अच्छा लगता है।
मीठा अच्छा लगता है।
That is called, I think, now
dark chocolates.
Dark chocolates.
And then Swamiji also used to invite people in the night satsang for special lunch with him
Yes,
in his kutir. And invariably, at least twice during our stay, we would be invited.
Yes.
He would say, Subrava Garu, lunch with me tomorrow in my kutir, special lunch. He would
Pure
say.
desi ghee, गाय का pure desi ghee, and used to pour on our rice के ऊपर वो डालते थे ऊपर से पापड़। पहले पापड़ आते थे।
पापड़ का बात है, पापड़ सर्व जब किया ना आज,
तो स्वामी याद है,
गुरुदेव याद है,
गुरुदेव
पापड़ ऐसे
याद है। He used to invite us for this today's this lunch party in my kutia. All the Seth family is invited there. और स्वामी जी अपना वो टेबल और उस पे बैठ के खाते थे और हम सब उसके ऊपर। And it was वो हमारे लिए great honor होता था कि आज स्वामी जी ने हमको अपने कुटिया में खाने पे बुलाया है।
And for Swamiji's thali, he had asked this Nayana Balaji. One day I believe he asked Nayana Balaji, मेरे लिए खाने के लिए थाली लाएंगे? That lady, she was sitting on the bank of the Ganga. She was telling us, Gurudev has asked me to bring a thali for him to eat. See, Gurudev has got such rich devotees that can bring gold thalis, silver thalis, but he has asked me to bring a thali. And she brought the one which that huge one, and fitting his size, and those huge katoris. And of course there used to be very little food inside that, but when he used to sit at the table on the chair next to the door, and we would all be watching, and then he would take out something or the other from his thali and says, who wants papad, who wants vada, who wants this
red chili also, red chili, mirchi करो और मैंने red chili कहा. So you can see कि हम लोग कितनी उनको ध्यान से इतने ऑब्जर्व करते थे, और वो अभी तक हमारे वो छप गया है.
There used to be those special black chilies coming from South India, which are very very hot, very spicy. See, we are not used to eating any spicy food. हम मिर्ची नहीं खाते थे घर में, बहुत सात्विक खाना. So the moment my father would put any sabji in his mouth, he would get hiccups. So my father would drink some water. My father was very very fair. So anything hot, either temperature wise or even masala wise, his face would become pink and red, almost sweating. So one day Swamiji said, "Whoa, Subrava Garu, say Om Tat Sat, the food will become sattvic," he said. So my father said, "Yes, Swamiji, the food will become sattvic, but the mirchi will not go," he said. So Gurudev started laughing again. So next time, just to tease him, in the next lunch when he invited, "Subrava Garu, special mirchi for you," he said. And they said, "No, Swamiji, I don't want mirchi." "Then what can I give you?" He said, "Give me one papad, Swamiji." So he used to pass the papad. So every time we used to take papad from Swamiji. And in the night satsang, especially on Fridays, we used to have special prasad. They used to make vada paisam. Rice का खीर बनाते थे और उड़द दाल का वड़ा बनाते थे. So that time, Swamiji was very fond of vada.
गुड़ का होता था, राइस का जो
नहीं मिल्क का बनाते थे. तो what they used to say, he used to ask, what is the prasadam today? இன்னைக்கு என்ன prasadam? He would ask in Tamil. So Shantananda would say, இன்னைக்கு வடை பாயசம் Swamiji. அப்படியா? Very good, very good, he would say. இன்னைக்கு not the long aarti, இன்னைக்கு short aarti பண்றேன். And he would say, "Oh, Raja Prasad Saini," because he wanted to the prasad to come to him soon. So he says, "Today no long aarti, only the short aarti, and I have already done it. Om Raja Prasad Saini." And he would be sitting in his chair like this, in the easy chair, and from here the gods are there, and he would be doing like this.
Exactly. You have really pictures that scene. That scene has come in front of me. Yeah. Same I told yesterday Srinivas Gupta ji. Once your mother, she came and the night satsang was on at the terrace. So Swamiji ne bola, "Oh ji, Mata ji," she came in between. The satsang was going on and I. और स्वामी जी ने कहा कि अच्छा माता जी, how are you, ये वो, and she brought big टोकरा of कचौरीज, hot कचौरीज, I don't know from बनारस और कहाँ से, और big टोकरा बनारसी लग रहा. स्वामी जी ने बोला, "ओम कीर्तन बंद, सब पहले प्रसाद खाएंगे, कचौड़ी खाएंगे, उसके बाद सब क्यों ठीक है ना, पहले पेट पूजा फिर काम दूजा, और सबने कचौड़ी खाई और उसके बाद फिर कीर्तन शुरू हो गया। And this is the way to I say कि he never make us, मतलब ये कि ये एक
It's not correct to do this like this.
This.
You can break any rule to make everybody happy.
happy also.
That's the thing.
और ये नहीं कि वो he was a very orthodox person, but he was very modern also.
Very
He
extreme.
was very modern. His thought, he was very orthodox also. He आपने किसी को इतना देखा नहीं होगा. Same was with Swami Chidanand was also. Same was with Swami Shivananda. He used to watch us nicely, and he has observed me that she is very fashion conscious. And one day during these days I was cleaning my face like that. Swami said, "Oh ji, don't clean your face like that, and don't use handkerchiefs. They become dirty after some. Do you bring some big chora rumal and fold it nicely, and then you should pat your face like that. You should not wipe your face like that." And he knows. ऐसे कि स्वामी जी मेरे को ये बता रहे हैं. And Dr. Kutti, one Santosh Mata ji was there. Later she became Pranavanand ji. She used to tell us. I am telling you frankly, in this thing now we have grown up. During those days, for girls to sit near Swami ji for those
Period.
distinguished days. No, you should not sit near Swami ji. All these girls, you are coming here. I said, but Swamiji never have seen objected all this thing. I have read in the Swamiji books also. He said it's nothing. This thing, it's a natural phenomena, and why should not we sit next to our grandfather? So I mean, in that way, he was very modern. He is in his thoughts, and he was very particular about the rituals also. He was not that कि मैं यहाँ से टटोली कर रहा हूँ तो इसलिए आप भगवान को ऐसे ले लिए. No, he wants us to do all these.
Same with Swami.
Same was